Ang problema na naman is yung renewal ko sa green card. We have a baby and it's gonna be super duper cute, huh? Honey.
Good morning, Philippines!
Maririnig ninyo ako pero as in ko to. Kumain ako ng buti na lang meron akong Skyflex, pero hindi pa rin, ang sakit ng ulo ko, grabe. Slow down, slow down.
Where the traffic is.
There's no traffic here, there's no cars.
Yeah. Okay. Well, that's traffic on 87 going to Yonkers. That's going to Yonkers.
Okay.
87.
Yeah.
This is going to the Bronx. They're going to the Bronx. This one looks better, but this one probably is better.
In 800 feet, at end of the road, turn right.
Well, as well as against average. 1.93 the last time out against Providence Friday. He allowed a goal on 28 shots.
995 northbound.
The plane, the plane, the plane. We're going to stop to, where is it? Popeyes. We're going to Popeyes and we're going to Buhay.
Doing what any one of us would have done.
So we're gonna get some Popeyes here because this is where we always
Turn
get
left
Popeyes.
onto Bardo Avenue.
Oh my god, this thing is so nice. Popeyes chicken. Look at it. You go in there. I don't feel like going.
Route recalculation.
We got Popeyes here and he got me. He got us a chicken, spicy chicken sandwich. Oh, the fries. He wants to eat the fries. Oh my goodness. The fries, guys. Cajun.
Yep.
Cajun fries. It's right here. So, kakain lang daw siya ng Cajun fries. This is how you call Cajun fries.
By the time you get home with the food for the family,
There's no more fries. They used to put this in the box, son. Why it's not in the box?
What's the difference?
Drive in. Concentrate your drive. The dog will be very happy to have a chicken. We are home. Soon. Tommy told me. Oh, is the light is on in the house? I shut it up. Just go over there. Just go straight. Look how beautiful is this chicken, guys. Look so good. Look so good. He's gonna go to my plate. No rice, guys. To his plate. Rice is life, but there's no rice. Okay, guys, we're just.
Chicken sandwich. I thought you want to blonde that.
But I want the chicken first.
Okay. You won't have the sandwich after you eat the chicken.
Get down. Get down. You're hungry too. Don't let them lick your finger. You said I like Popeyes better. Ito naman. Guys, ito yung pinag-awayan ng mga tao. The spicy chicken burger from sandwich. It's just like it's the same thing with the Burger King, huh?
Oh, you figure it's Popeyes, you figure it's probably better.
The same thing with the chicken.
Is it better or?
It's better than the Burger King.
You figure this is
I heard people fighting about this for this. And then when the Burger King, if they lined up for a long hour and then the Burger King said that they're out of stock, they are fighting, Han. Guys. Right, Han?
Wasn't better than those Popeyes.
Popeyes. Masarap talaga siya, Han. It's good, Han. It's spicy. Spicy lover would like this. Busog, guys. Busog sa dinner! Magpaano lang ako, relax muna. And then I'm going inside to do something, cleaning up. I have a box in the trunk, ha. Busog sa chicken at saka sa sandwich. Finally, wala na akong iisipin about sa passport. Wala na. Tapos na. Ngayon, ang problema na naman is yung renewal ko sa green card. The renewal is, it's already almost March. Almost a year. Right, Han? Almost a year already? Since we renewed it. And until now, I don't receive any green card. I don't receive anything. I look at online because when you go online, you have your account, right? You have your account in the website. Then when I look, there's none. There's no update whatsoever. Nothing. So I don't know what's going on. And luckily, Han, I bring the paper, the appointment from when I renew.
Yeah.
Because the question, my green card, it says your green card is expired already, and I said there is an extension until March, and then they said they want to make sure that I really did it, like I renewed. They look for the paper. Luckily, I bring it, Han. And she asked me, is this the original? I said, yeah, I think, because look, it's still in the envelope.
That was a good thing.
Yeah, or else, oh my G, the waiting is waste of time. Halahan, Puerto Rico earthquake, Han.
Yeah.
Yeah, here, come here, sit here. What kind of, that's a big pouch. Nag-ano lang ako ng mga ano ni Biyenan dito, guys. Mga books. Ang dami kasing gamit niya. And dito. Inaano ko lang yung mga dapat itapon. Not real leather.
It's real leather.
Or just
You're
happens
right.
with a glancing glance. This one I'm showing you is worst case scenario, where some snow is going to break out early Tuesday
that real?
night. This is at
It's real
9
leather.
It goes
How much you order that?
midnight
Oh,
hour,
20 bucks.
and then it pulls
You're right.
rapidly
There's no
off to the
real
east
leather,
out of
20
our
bucks.
Okay,
area
whatever.
by about 2 in the morning.
Honey,
You
don't,
know, and I guess I'm
don't
stupid.
whatever, man.
I don't agree with that, what I just
This
showed
is
you.
a
You're probably
real
wondering, well,
cookbook.
why am I showing it?
And-
Well, just because I want to
Yes,
show you the
yes.
worst case scenario.
And it's freaking old.
The other
Yes.
scenarios happen that I believe are going to happen, where we're just going to have a
This is
glancing
mom,
glance.
right?
I
Yes.
think we're
Can I
just
keep
gonna
this
be
instead of the
seeing
other
bases
shit?
of an inch or less.
Because for sure this is like, can you read something? Maybe you should write
Inch or
something here.
less is what I'm looking at right now across our local area. A cold
Pamana ni Biyenan. Pamana ni a cookbook.
Well,
Sobrang.
this was where a page it was for, but apparently you moved it. So
Saturday scattered showers.
Just 4 cups of soft,
Yeah, looks like that's what's going to be
soft
happening
breadcrumbs,
for the weekend.
quarter to a
Like I
half
say,
cup
let's
melted
look back and
fat,
forth.
1 teaspoon of salt, 1/4.
Car accident, according
This
to
is
the gossip.
Pamana, guys. It's really old cookbook of Biyenan. Look how ripped is this. Look. Pamana. I'll keep this because you can tell she kept it like till forever. Look, right, Han?
Keep it here, the Giants.
this is you. So cute. You're so cute. You smile the city na. Too cute mo na. Yung baby is si Tommy. That one is your uncle, right? Uncle Tom. Your father's father? Mother's father? Oh, look at this Tommy mo. Hon, if we have a baby, hon, it's gonna be super duper cute, hon. Honey. It's gonna be mixed faces. I will. Oh. Look at honey, if we have a baby, hon, it's gonna be really thick hair.
Makes you wonder what the hell happened to me, right?
You're still so cute. You just don't have any clue. That's why I want you to clean your face. Han, you are very good looking. You're lucky you still have a baby picture.
And every sip
Your mother is quoted in this book here.
to you.
That's what I said, you gotta go through books.
Beer in its organic form.
Maybe special. Maybe I'll pick that.
would never recover from that fumble. So I live bet the
Hello guys, natulog na si Tami. Punta na siya sa taas. So ngayon, I think, punta na rin ako. Hindi na rin ako magtatagal dito. Hindi na rin ako magtagal. Punta na rin ako sa taas. Kasi iniwan ako. Naghalungkat ako ng mga gamit ni Biyenan dito. Dito, madaming mga ano. Ito yung lugar na kung saan yung mga... Ito yung pantry nila. Dito. Yung pantry nila. So, naghalungkat ako doon kung anong meron. Meron akong nakitang mga magagandang gamit. Hindi na maganda. Kinuha ng kapatid ni Tami yung iba. So, naghalungkat ako kung anong meron. Ito lang yung nakita ko. So, galing to sa bansa nila. Puerto Rico. I think dala niya ito yung last niyang punta doon. Ito, mga serving dish. Cake, ganon-ganon ito. Anyway guys, matulog na ako and I will see you guys tomorrow. Please, don't forget to like and subscribe kasi mag-i-impake pa ako dito bukas and more impake. I-try ko talaga guys kasi iwan ko na lang guys kung si Tami guys parang walang iwan ko na lang. Basta, yun guys. Bye. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next one.